Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review blush sticks, dewy blush sticks ng Pink Flash. So kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on. So Pink Flash released a new batch of their new batch of new products. So napansin ng attention ko this one, ang kanilang blush stick. So marami silang shades dito. And I got this ngayong 11/11. Actually, I got this ngayong 11/11 kasi buy 2 for 90 pesos. Buy 2 for 90 to 100 pesos yung atake nitong blush nito. Anyways, I have two shades, PP01. So, PP01 is, meron siyang cap. Oh, hello! Oh my God. Okay, wait, kasi hindi siya, ano siya, PP01. Then, next shade is PP02. Dapat tinanggal. Akala ko kasi parang siyang jelly blush. Okay. This is PP01 and this is PNU02. So, here are all the swatches ng kanilang dewy blush. So, let's try this shade. Mga Bilachi Atake. Let's see. Let's blend it out. Oh. In this blush, that's the first layer. Nakikita natin yung dewiness with this one. And kahit namuo siya, ang pangit, nasira siya. Kahit namuo siya, it's still intact na maganda pa rin siya. Let's put the second layer. Trinay ko lang siyang buksan na parang sa jelly blush. Natanggal agad yung cover. Pero it doesn't work. Madali siyang masira, guys. So, tanggalin niyo agad yung cover with, okay. This is my shade in the blush. Para siyang, okay, it gives dewy finish with this one, and look at it, how nice is to blend it properly with this one. And next is this shade. Let's try this shade. Ganito na kasi, iba kasi yung form. Depende kasi sa blush formula. Guys, kaya ganun yung apply ko ng blush. This is N02. Ganito na apply ng blush kasi it depends on the formula. Actually, it depends on the formula talaga na magte-take intact. Okay. This blush stick is dewy. So, kung hanap mo ay blush only or natural blushes, si Pink Flash ito yung sagot sa tanong mo kay Pink Flash. Overall, I like this blush from Pink Flash. Not bad for only 90 pesos with 2 of this 90 pesos. I think yung ganito is pag sale lang with this one. Pag sale lang yung product na ito, mga 11/11 or payday, dalawang ganito 90 pesos. And pag isa lang kasi I think it's over 150 pesos or 139, 129 pesos. But I got lucky that I got 2. Kaya happy ang mas ako na na-try ko na tong blush sticks ng Pink Flash. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.